Right, this is a little intro to what's coming up this week and for the rest of the festival as well. So I just kind of want to pull some things together and give you a little sneak peeks. So this is just a friendly reminder. We do have a couple of workshops and activities that are coming up that you may need to purchase the kits for or get materials for in order to be able to attend them. The needle felted sheep, the virtual make-along, make-a-gift, that is with Cottontail Farm on Thursday, the 26th. And you can purchase the kit through her shop, which is an Etsy shop. There's a Finch hat workshop where you can purchase the kit for the hat through Muse 2320 Fiber Co., as well as the Gnome Camp Along. These guys are adorable, the little gnomes. I've seen them on a lot of different little blog spots here and there, it seems, in the past week. Imagine Landscapes is the one who's made the pattern for those. Muse 2320 has the kits, or you can purchase the pattern through Ravelry, any of the Imagine Landscapes gnomes. The Magnolia Hat Workshop is another one from Muse 2320, where you can purchase the kit or purchase the pattern. The Make-A-Gift Super Chunky Hat. This will be an excellent workshop for those advanced beginners or, again, new knitters that might be ready to try another project and maybe do a little bit of ribbing that's involved in the hat band. That's a kit through Umbesato Fiber that also includes a really fluffy, really nice, good shape, good weight pom-pom to attach to the hat as well. And then also there's Tisket Tasket, a wooden bottom basket, knit or crocheted. This is an excellent workshop if you're looking to have any kind of home decor or you need places to store things or another basket. Who doesn't need another basket? If you purchase the bottom through Wild Stitchers, they have a shop on Etsy, and also to, I believe, the link to where to purchase the basket bottom as well as RSVP is also in the Camp Yarnsie events calendar. So those are ones that are coming up that you need to purchase the items to be able to attend the workshop, whether it's the pattern, whether it's a kit, whether it's a wooden bottom basket. So those are what's coming up. On Tuesday, tomorrow, we have Wheel Spinning and Hot Cocoa Social from 5 to 6 p.m. We also have a workshop, Basic B, Brioche Level 1. So all of you out there that have been wanting to try brioche, this is the time to do it. We have an amazing, fun, and cute little headband pattern we're going to be working on in that class. Avalon Springs Farm Virtual Shop from 8 to 9 p.m. On Wednesday the 18th, we have Sip and Spin from 8 to 9 a.m. with Bonsford Spindles. We have Intro to the Magic of Drop Spindling from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. That workshop is currently full. The Charka Spinning, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. We have the Bosworth Spindles Virtual Shop from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. On Thursday the 19th, you have some various different activities from Flying Goat, anything from yarn chats to kits to come with your sweaters. Let's talk about them. And then we have the workshop for the Crafty Handmade Holiday class, which is the felted soap. So if you've ever wanted to make a felted soap, here's your chance. And there's also super gifts for super crafty friends from 8 to 9 p.m. On Friday the 20th, this is Yank Your Yarns Day. She has Michelle P's Rolling Hills Poncho Knit Along from 6 to 8 a.m. Then from 12 to 1 p.m. and also from 9 to 10 p.m. there's a holiday shopping extravaganza with Bonnie from Yank Your Yarn. I'm very curious to see what she has in store. Then there's also the Harry Potter's Edinburgh Virtual Tour, which is a very wizardy magical tour through H. Potter Trail, which is from 4 to 5 p.m. And then the knit along is from 5 to 7 p.m. And I will say this, if you have children and those people who love Harry Potter, you don't have to stay for the knit along. They can just attend the little tour. It's very engaging, I will say. I did enjoy the little sneak peek we had of it. An Entrelac workshop from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. And then Midnight Movie Madness with Bonnie from 12 a.m. to 1:30 a.m., which is Saturday, November 21st. So that's what's coming up there from Yank Your Yarn. On Saturday the 21st, our featured events include the Classic Outlander Virtual Tour. This is amazing. They are going through a lot of different castles, locations. It's just beautiful. It's nice to kind of, I know we can't get out at the moment with what's going on in the world, but it's nice to be able to see these and kind of live through the people and to see other places and events and get kind of experiences that way virtually. Then we have the Holiday Movie Dialogue from 5 to 7 p.m. with Ashley Wolf of Die to Spin, who will be dying along with a movie. Christmas stocking knit along from 8 to 9 p.m. So come and let's knit a stocking together. Let's finally get that one stocking we have never made knitted. just maybe one, but let's get it done this year. Then also we have, for our demonstrations, lectures, and shopping, we have What the Tool from 11 to 1 p.m. And then from stone rubbing to working wheel, a Han Dynasty spinning wheel from 3 to 4 p.m. Then with workshops on Saturday the 21st, we have Best Tips and Tricks Crochet Edition with the fabulous Hillary Robertson, as well as Basic Bee Brioche Level 1. Then Sticks, Strings, and You, which is Knitting 101 from 12 to 2:30 p.m. We have Tunisian Crochet Basics from 1 to 3 p.m. We have Intermediate Bee Brioche Level 2 from 2:30 to 4 p.m. And Tisket Tasket, a wooden bottom basket, knit or crochet from 3 to 5 p.m. We also have the Perfect Fit Tips and Techniques for Superb Sweaters for Your Body from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Then on Sunday the 22nd, our featured events are High Tea and Scone Club with Paige Shipley from 3 to 4 p.m. And we have Wind Down with Paige at 9 to 10 p.m. And we have our Christmas stocking knit along that's continuing with the fabulous Suzanne Larson from 8 to 9 p.m. Our demonstrations, lectures, and shopping opportunities for Sunday the 22nd include the Charka spinning from 4 to 5 p.m. The workshops include Thrummed Mittens. If you've never made Thrummed Mittens, now's your chance. From 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. We have the Make a Gift Mystery Knit from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Come and at least make one gift. You'll be able to make one of these gifts in that time frame. Drafting Techniques for Spinning, 12 to 3 p.m. Take the eek out of steeking from 1 to 2:30 p.m. We have Make a Gift, the Super Chunky Hat Kit. Again, that's from Ambassador Fiber from 4 to 6 p.m. And that's a great kit. It's wonderful with the hand-dyed yarn. Learn to Crochet is from 5 to 7 p.m. We have Basic Bee Brioche Level 1. This scarf is real from 6 to 7 p.m. That's an excellent one if you've been frustrated with trying brioche and you want to just try it over again, but you want to start off very slowly. Crochet Holiday Quick Gifts from 7 to 8 p.m. and Drop It Like It's Hot. Knit along from 7:30 to 9 p.m. And we also have Knitting with Beads from 8 to 9 p.m. in those days. Now, don't forget to get those kits. And in case you're wondering, where can I find the festival schedule? This is how you can find it. You go to our website, which is yarnsie.com, and you click on the live online festival, and it'll open up a menu. You'll go down to schedule, and you click on schedule. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's coming. Ah, there it goes. And you'll scroll down whenever it will let you. Whenever it will let you. It's been one of those days. Elevator music? There it is. All right. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the events. Everything listed by day for the next 2 weeks. Okay. All of them are in here like this. Now, if you prefer to see them by pictures, you can scroll to the top. And you see right here where it will say Find Events on my right-hand side in blue, and right next to it's month. If you click on month, you can select by list, by day, by photo. Let's see what list looks like. I feel like we should have some deep breathing exercises or something through this. All right, so now you can scroll through if you're more to shop by a picture. There you go. And so that's how you can access our calendar. Make sure when you click on one, let's choose the Entrelac workshop, for example. Prepare for it. You're going to have to wait again. Or not. Evidently likes the Entrelac workshop. It must be a fan. RSVP and to register for any of our events, make sure you sign in and log into our website. And it will show you on this side over here, log in to purchase. See that blue button right there, log in to purchase? You'll click on that. It will take you to a login where you can create your own username and password for our website. And that way, on the day of the event, just in case, you will receive an email from us that gives you the location of the virtual room, which we use BlueJeans for, which is very similar to Zoom. That it will give you a link to it, but in case you delete that email or something happens to it, you can log into our website, go to that event page, and find the link. It'll be in there, right where the tickets would be. I hope this answers some questions, and I hope to see you all soon. Enjoy!